This video shows how to apply both the matte and satin wax dressing. First thing to do is obviously to apply a good coat of water-based all-in-one sealer. Allow this to dry for a minimum of 1 hour and then you can go on and apply the wax. So here we can see we're using the TileMaster flat mop system with the fleece pad along with the satin wax dressing. The application with the matte is exactly the same. So what we want to do is apply a small amount from one side of the floor to the other and then work it in and apply the dressing in a nice even coat. What we then want to do is, unlike the impregnators, we don't then buff off the surface, we just allow it to dry on top and dry like a surface barrier right on top. Make sure that you apply a nice amount but not too much where it's pooling in areas. If you do get any slight bubbling or foam, just make sure that you spread that out, but don't worry too much as the product contains an anti-foam that will help the product self-level and deal with those sections. If you do find that you miss anywhere, don't try and work back into that area because the product might be drying and it might start to drag. So here you can see a section that was missed on the first coat. Just leave it to dry and we can deal with that on the second coat. The best process is to apply the first coat north to south and then try and apply the second coat east to west, but this isn't always possible based on the shape of the room. If you have any further questions, feel free to call the office on 0161 444 0377.